Dear students, we are studying chapter 5, coal and petroleum, in which we have studied about resources, exhaustible and inexhaustible. Exhaustible resources are those which will be ended one day by human activities, and inexhaustible resources are those which are never going to be ended by human activity, like air, water, where the exhaustible resources are coal, petroleum, forest, animals, etc. Now, third, we will discuss about fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are fuel formed from the dead remains of living organisms that lived millions of years ago. Fossil fuels are those which are formed by dead remains of living organisms that lived millions of years ago. बहुत पुराने ज़माने के अंदर, बहुत हज़ारों साल पहले जो जीव जंतु पेड़ पौधे रहा करते थे वो ज़मीन में दब गए, और ज़मीन में दबने से क्या हुआ कि वो इतना दब गए कि उनका कोयला बन गया, पेट्रोलियम बन गया और नेचुरल गैस बन गई. सो द फॉसिल फ्यूल आर मेड बिकॉज द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स आर बरीड इन द ग्राउंड इन द अर्थ at very high pressure, and coal, petroleum, natural gas are formed. Now, coal was formed by the burial of forest under the soil due to earthquakes, landslides and flooding. As soil deposited over them, they were pushed deeper in the soil and got compressed. Then, due to high temperature and pressure and absence of air, the dead plants got slowly converted into coal. After millions of years, the slow process of conversion of dead plants into coal is called carbonization. Now, as we have discussed that the fossil fuel are made by burial of living organisms of ancient times. Okay, now they are buried in ground in the deep in the earth, and soil is deposited on them, and implementing a high pressure and high temperature, the dead organism converts to coal, and this process of conversion of dead plants into coal is called carbonization. तो कोयला जो है वो बहुत सालों पहले जो जंगल थे वो ज़मीन में दब गए, है ना. बरियल मतलब दब जाना, ज़मीन में दब गए, उन पर बहुत सारी मिट्टी जमा हो गई उन पर इतना ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर और इतना ज़्यादा प्रेशर हो गया कि वो बहुत सारे हज़ारों करोड़ों सालों के अंदर वो कोयले में कन्वर्ट हो गए. इस स्लो प्रोसेस को हम बोलते हैं कार्बोनाइजेशन.